Good afternoon. My LGB Genesis had G-scale graphic boards and Phoenix sound. One of the boards burnt out and they couldn't fix it and they don't make the board anymore. So to try something different, our exclusive G-scale dealer in Minnesota, only trains in Buffalo, Minnesota, had piko, RC, transmitter and receiver, normally $99.95 for $79.95. They recommend with track power to mount the PCB on a heat sink. Well, we have X-Men surplus. I bought a 5-inch piece of heat sink for $2. Cut it in half, mounted each in each Genesis, mounted the PCB right to the heat sink, mounted the other board on a piece of plastic on the heat sink. Really easy install. The Phoenix sound hooked right up to the first video shows a nice smooth start. The second video shows if you push up and down at the same time, it goes in E-stop, real nice E-stop stop. And the rest of the video just so the train's running. Notice my Genesis, both plows are broke off, so I got to order some USA train plows. And those USA trains, passenger cars are so heavy, about 4 is it. So anyway, it's well worth doing. They run good, and Only Trains has a fantastic price. Thank you.